Hello, viewers. Welcome back to another episode. In this episode, I will teach you stress management techniques for your healthier mind and body. So, stay watching. In today's fast-paced world, stress has become an almost inevitable part of life. Whether it's due to personal responsibilities, work pressure, or global uncertainties, many people experience stress on a daily basis. While stress is a normal reaction to challenging situations, chronic stress can take a significant toll on both the mind and body. The good news is that there are effective stress management techniques that can help mitigate its impact, promoting a healthier, happier life. This podcast delves into the reality of stress, its effects, and provides practical, realistic techniques that you can incorporate into your daily routine to manage and reduce stress effectively. Stress is your body's response to any demand or challenge. It triggers a fight-or-flight response, releasing hormones like adrenaline and cortisol to prepare your body to react. While this response can be helpful in short-term situations, chronic stress can wreak havoc on your mental and physical health. Chronic stress can lead to a range of health issues, including anxiety and depression, sleep problems, weight gain or loss, digestive issues, high blood pressure, cardiovascular diseases, weakened immune system. Managing stress is crucial to maintaining overall well-being. Let's explore some evidence-based techniques to manage stress and lead a healthier life. 1. Mindful breathing and meditation. One of the simplest and most effective ways to manage stress is through mindful breathing and meditation. These techniques help calm your mind, lower your heart rate, and reduce cortisol levels. Mindful breathing technique. Find a quiet place to sit or lie down. Close your eyes and focus on your breathing. Inhale deeply through your nose for 4 counts, hold your breath for 7 counts, and exhale slowly through your mouth for 8 counts. Repeat this cycle for 5 to 10 minutes, focusing on the sensation of your breath entering and leaving your body. This technique activates the parasympathetic nervous system, which is responsible for promoting relaxation. Practicing mindful breathing daily can help reduce the intensity of stress over time. Meditation. Meditation is another powerful tool for stress management. It involves focusing your mind and eliminating distractions, allowing you to cultivate a sense of inner peace. Guided meditation. This involves following an audio or video guide that helps you relax and focus. Body scan. Meditation. Start from your toes and work your way up to your head, focusing on each part of your body. This can release tension stored in different muscles. Mantra. Meditation. Repeat a calming word or phrase to help you stay focused. Meditation has been shown to decrease stress, improve concentration, and even increase self-awareness. 2. Physical exercise. Move to improve. Exercise is one of the best natural stress relievers. Physical activity increases the production of endorphins, which are your brain's feel-good neurotransmitters. It also reduces the levels of stress hormones like cortisol and adrenaline. Types of exercise for stress. Relief. Aerobic exercise, running, swimming, cycling, or brisk walking can elevate your mood and help clear your mind. Yoga. Combining stretching, balance, and controlled breathing. Yoga has been shown to lower stress levels and promote relaxation. Strength training. Lifting weights not only strengthens your body, but also gives you a sense of accomplishment, reducing stress. Tai Chi. This ancient Chinese martial art involves slow, deliberate movements combined with deep breathing, helping to improve mental clarity and reduce anxiety. Even short bursts of exercise like a 10-minute walk or stretching routine can have a powerful effect on stress levels. Make it a goal to move your body daily, even if it's for a few minutes. 3. Time management. Prioritize and organize. One of the most common causes of stress is feeling overwhelmed by tasks and responsibilities. Poor time management can lead to procrastination, which only increases stress levels. Learning to manage your time effectively can help you regain control over your life and reduce anxiety. Effective time management techniques. Prioritize tasks. Make a to-do list and rank tasks based on their importance. Tackle the most critical tasks first. Use time blocking. Divide your day into blocks of time dedicated to specific activities. This can help you stay focused and organized. Break tasks into smaller steps. Large tasks can seem overwhelming. Break them down into smaller, manageable steps and tackle them one at a time. Learn to say no. Don't take on more than you can handle. It's okay to decline additional responsibilities if they are causing you stress. By organizing your time and tasks, you can reduce feelings of chaos and increase productivity without feeling overwhelmed. 4. Social connection. Build your support system. Humans are social beings, and strong social connections are vital for emotional well-being. Talking to friends, family, or colleagues about your concerns can help relieve stress and provide a fresh perspective on your problems. Simply having someone to share your feelings with can make a significant difference. Tips for building stronger social connections. Reach out regularly, whether it's through phone calls, texts, or meeting in person. Maintain contact with your support network. Join social groups. Engage in activities or hobbies that interest you, such as book clubs, sports teams, or community organizations. These groups provide a sense of belonging and support. Seek professional help. If stress becomes unmanageable, consider talking to a therapist or counselor. Sometimes an outside perspective is necessary to address deeper emotional or psychological issues. Healthy social connections can act as a buffer against the effects of stress, helping you cope more effectively. 5. Adequate sleep. Rest your mind and body. Lack of sleep and stress are closely connected. Chronic stress can lead to poor sleep quality, and inadequate sleep can exacerbate stress, creating a vicious cycle. Getting enough restful sleep is essential for maintaining mental and physical health. Tips for better sleep. Stick to a schedule. Try to go to bed and wake up at the same time every day, even on weekends. Create a bedtime routine. Engage in calming activities like reading, taking a warm bath, or practicing relaxation exercises before bed. Limit screen time. Avoid using electronic devices at least 1 hour before bed, as the blue light can interfere with melatonin production. Create a restful environment. Keep your bedroom cool, dark, and quiet. Invest in a comfortable mattress and pillows. Limit caffeine and alcohol. These substances can interfere with your sleep cycle, so it's best to consume them in moderation. Getting 7 to 9 hours of sleep each night is ideal for most adults. Prioritizing rest will improve your body's ability to manage stress effectively. 6. Balance nutrition. Fuel your body to fight stress. What you eat can have a direct impact on how your body responds to stress. A well-balanced diet can improve your mood, boost your energy, and help your body cope with stress. Stress-busting foods. Omega-3 fatty acids. Found in fish like salmon and sardines, these fats help reduce inflammation and regulate mood. Leafy greens, spinach, kale, and other greens contain magnesium, which can help regulate cortisol levels. Whole grains. Foods like oats and quinoa can stabilize blood sugar and prevent mood swings. Dark chocolate. A small amount of dark chocolate can reduce stress hormone levels while providing a sense of pleasure. Herbal teas. Chamomile and peppermint teas have soothing properties that can help reduce anxiety. Avoid excessive caffeine, sugar, and processed foods, which can lead to energy crashes and mood swings, further contributing to stress. 7. Journaling. Release your thoughts. Writing about your thoughts and feelings can be a powerful way to manage stress. Journaling allows you to process your emotions, gain insight into your stressors, and develop coping strategies. How to start. Journaling. Set aside time daily. Even 10 minutes of writing can make a big difference. Write freely. Don't worry about grammar or structure. Focus on getting your thoughts onto paper. Reflect on your emotions. Write about the stressors you're facing and how they make you feel. This can help you understand your triggers and identify patterns. Journaling is a simple yet effective way to gain perspective and find solutions to your problems. 8. Relaxation techniques calm your body. In addition to meditation, several other relaxation techniques can help your body unwind from stress. Popular relaxation techniques. Progressive muscle relaxation. Tense and then relax each muscle group, starting from your toes and working up to your head. This technique can help release physical tension. Visualization. Close your eyes and imagine a peaceful, calming scene, such as a beach or a forest. Focus on the details, such as the sounds, smells, and sensations of the environment. Aromatherapy. Essential oils like lavender, chamomile, and eucalyptus can promote relaxation when diffused or applied to your skin. Incorporating relaxation techniques into your daily routine can significantly lower your stress levels over time. Laughter. The natural stress buster. Laughter truly is the best medicine when it comes to stress. It triggers the release of endorphins, which promote feelings of happiness, and it lowers cortisol levels. How to incorporate more laughter into your life. Watch funny movies or TV shows. Spend time with friends or family who make you laugh. Follow social media accounts or podcasts that focus on humor. Try laughter yoga, a practice that combines deep breathing exercises with intentional laughter. Finding joy and laughter in everyday moments can make a big difference in how you manage stress. Managing stress is not about eliminating it entirely. Stress is a natural part of life that can even be motivating in small doses. The goal is to develop a toolkit of techniques that help you cope with stress in healthy, sustainable ways. By implementing these strategies, mindful breathing, physical exercise, time management, building social connections, improving sleep, eating a balanced diet, journaling, practicing relaxation techniques, and incorporating laughter, you can significantly reduce the negative impact of stress on your mind and body. Remember, stress management is an ongoing process. It requires consistency and mindfulness. Some techniques may work better for you than others, so it's important to find what resonates with your lifestyle and personal preferences. Over time, these habits will strengthen your resilience, improve your mental and physical health, and enhance your overall quality of life. Actionable takeaways. 1. Start small. You don't need to overhaul your life overnight. Begin by integrating 1 or 2 stress management techniques into your routine and gradually add more as you become comfortable. 2. Be consistent. Like any skill, managing stress takes practice. The more regularly you use these techniques, the more effective they will be. Stress is inevitable, but how you respond to it is within your control. With the right approach, you can transform stress from a source of anxiety into an opportunity for growth and resilience. Thank you everybody for stay till the end. Subscribe my channel to get more updates.